Here we are. This is Planar. I have my video, 1080p, a print screen photo. Should take me about 5 minutes to do this whole thing that is 12 plus seconds long. In order to do Planar, as I understand, is double click on your video, go to AI tools, scroll down until you see Planar. Open up the switch. When you do other things and come back later, this is the last saved area. It'll always come back to this. AI tool, Planar. It doesn't reset to basic or to the top. When you hit auto or advance, it's going to open up a window. But right now I want to highlight my picture. I want to make it a little smaller, almost the size. I want to take my picture out of the area for now. I want to go back on here and hit auto. This is the way you're supposed to do Planar. It opens up a box. Bring one of the circles to the top and then start to get the pencil that looks like a stencil and bring it to where you want your distortion image or video to go. You notice it has a magnification as well. I'm not going to be perfect here. Already got it on. I'm happy. When I click start, people show this generation bar just increase so fast. Look how nice and slow it goes. While this is generating, let me open up another program. This is Magix Studio 2023. Let me hit on my image. Let me hit the size of my image and apply the effect. Let me bring my pointers down. Let me go down below to the 3D distortion. Now, not many people show this delay with screen recorder with the Lenovo Yoga 7i. Let's bring the little red point. Same thing we did. Watch what happens when I bring this over now. Notice how my image is matching up. I'm not a pro at this. Highlight both. Right-click on the image. Attach to picture position in the video. Follow the instructions. And select the picture and image. And continue. And this will now motion track if you do it correctly. Let's go back to Wondershare Filmora 14. We're still motion tracking and planar tracking. Let me go back to Magix. This is not happening at the moment. So Control X gets rid of my picture. Let me right click, attach the picture image, and this cannot be done unless you put an image in. Control Z, and I have to highlight, and maybe on the video it cannot be done. So I did this correctly this time around. On the photo, attach the image, and you can see the kind of difficulty it has. Select a picture for which the movement should follow the overlay object and click on continue. There we go. You can see it tracking now. Now look how fast that goes. And we're almost done in about under a minute's time. If I did Filmora 14, it should be done that fast. Click play.
This is a test video, HD 1080p, 24 frames, low bit rate for Planar of Wondershare Filmora 14. Test 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow. Wondershare, I would love to hear your insight and elaborate on why this takes this long. It took me a lot quicker just to find my mistake and get it done correctly, and I'm still here waiting to edit, and we're almost done. I would probably update to a Macintosh midline MacBook Pro. 48 gig of Unity memory. I'm not entitled to 64 gig. And it's the Pro chip and not the Max chip. If I go the Max chip, then I could update and I'll pay more money, up to $5,000 for the maximum machine. Will I have the same issue? Here we are. Now, I could bring in this photo. I know I need to bring it to the end. And I know to come into, where did it go? I kind of lost it. Smart cutout. I highlight, and there it is. My fault. I clicked on the video. Screenshot and play. I muted the sound. And there it is. It did its job. It did what it's supposed to do and all that good stuff. If I click on here and I get to the corners, then I'm able to correct it. Make it go correct. And then I'm able to complete. And I don't have to restart, and I just click OK. If I wanted to increase and decrease the actual size, that'd be my video there, but I have to click on the photo and go to the basic, and I'm able to increase and decrease. And click OK. And then I'm all done. I got my video. As much as I use this, I cannot do 4K. 4K would take 1 hour for a 12-second clip that nobody shows the length. Are you willing to do a 15-second clip in Planar? You can take a video, bring it in. You could get rid of this, put your video in, keep to the same timeline, double click, go to AI, and go here to the link, import from computer a video, and take it, bring it down, get rid of this clip. This clip is not needed. I apologize. There is the clip right there, in there for you, playing.
I could deal with the lighting, what it shows through the camera.
I'm
How
done.
you?
I said my piece. I hope you enjoyed what you got out of this video. Thank you. I'm Fish. One day I'll be on the Mac, but right now I'm on a Lenovo. but I can't see doing a 4K video for an hour. Oh man, to end this thing, I just hit stop.